good policies. I can tell you there was a professor of Oxford University who once said that science without policy is still science. But policy without science and research is gambling. When you bring policies that are not properly researched, you are gambling with the life of a nation. You are gambling with the development of a nation. When we had great leadership, a leader called Mwai Kibaki, I know the MP called me Wamalwa Kijana. No, Wamalwa Kijana was Kibaki's first vice president, but he left, he's resting with Kibaki. But his successor, Kalonzo Musyoka, is still here. He was Kibaki's vice president. We saw good leadership under these great leaders. We saw good policies that transformed our country. One of them was CDF. In 2003, Karue from Nyandarua brought CDF, and Kibaki said this is a good policy. CDF has developed our country. Every constituency has developed because of CDF. Under Kibaki, we had a 2010 constitution that brought us devolution. We have a great governor here called Wavinya Ndeti. We cherish her work. Because of her good leadership and the good devolution policy, our country is developing. I want to say the confrontation or standoff between members of parliament and governors is completely unnecessary. CDF is working. What is working needs no fixing. Devolution is working. Give the counties more money. MPs do not stop resources from coming to Wavinya Ndeti to develop this great county. So we want to say, under the leadership of Kalonzo Musyoka, we had dialogue at Bomas about the future of CDF, about the constitutional concerns about CDF. Just address those concerns as guided by the court and by the experts at Bomas under the leadership of Kalonzo Musyoka, and CDF will still work, devolution will still work. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you.